Sciatic pain, okay, is simple and complex at the same time, okay? So here's our colors, we have blue and red. So think of this, if this is your hip here, or it's like most people say that this is the ilium here, the hip socket's kind of down here low and it comes out and then down the leg like this, right? What we're looking at here is the nerve, the sciatic nerve is right here. It comes out here, the low back. It goes through like the pelvis here, down through the back of the pelvis, and it goes all the way down here. So sometimes you get sciatica pain right here down the foot, sometimes you get it up here in the back, sometimes all the way down the leg, etc. So there's two reasons why you have sciatica pain, okay? So with this one here, it's a low back issue here. We have a bone here, like this, and a bone here. And so what happens when those two bones crush each other, it'll actually cause the nerve to be pinched between it and will send a signal down your leg. That's number one cause of sciatica. Number two cause of sciatica is there's a muscle right here in the low back called the piriformis, which goes on the front of your sacrum, like this. It actually goes around the back side here and connects in, like this, over the top of that, and the sciatic nerve goes underneath the muscle. So if it's a hip issue, that means that the sciatic nerve is being pinched by the piriformis, or even going through the piriformis in a small part of the population, and it will send that same symptoms down your leg here. So if you're getting numbness and tingling in the leg here, you can have a problem here in the hip, in the piriformis muscle, more of a muscular tissue issue or a biomechanical issue, or you could have an issue here in the low back, which is more of a disc or a pinching of the nerve from the bones crushing each other. So you just gotta figure out which one's the one you need to treat.